Hello, welcome to Technology News. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today I will tell you that JavaScript is the most widely used programming languages among all other that is being used across the globe by many web developers, web programmers or any other software developers, right? So it is the most commonly used platform to develop games, to develop software, to develop websites, right, and to develop either a web server. So actually the usage of JavaScript technology or programming languages compared to other, that is Python or HTML, CSS or Java or any database related SQL or what, right? So as compared to this, JavaScript is used the most, right? In current scenario, you can say this the survey of developer surveys that came to 21, 22, whatever this current year scenario or the past years also, JavaScript is being placed at the top among the usage or as per the popularity also. Okay, so it is being used widely. So learn JavaScript if you want to create a dynamic website or interactive website that involves calculation part that comes from server side as part of a response, or you want to create some animated graphics or any type of audio video playing and whatever it is stuff actually, right? So JavaScript is very much useful. So learn JavaScript and let me know in the comment section that you have started learning or not the JavaScript. Thank you.